So I've noticed something with my Icom radios, and I'm not quite sure if it's a problem or not. So this is my 9700, forgive the dirtier screen, but if I turn it on, let's see if we can see this. Can you see those lines? The lines on the text, it was a little bit hard because my phone decided to refocus. Let me just lock the focus there. Yeah, there we go. See those lines? There's lines that are across the text. Now, in normal operation, I can't see them. So you can see there, it's showing the frequency. Let's go into the menu. How can I show this? I can't see any lines there. That all looks fine as well. And then I hooked up my 7300 and I noticed that that's doing the same thing. You can see there the lines on boot across, but in normal operation, it's fine. Now, I have heard that people have had issues with their 7300 or 9700 with like solid lines through the screen, but I'm not sure if this is now a symptom of that about to happen. These radios, I think, are almost out of warranty. I've had them for quite a number of years now. So I kind of want to know if it is a problem that should I send it back to Icom to have a look at. But I wanted to ask you guys first to see if any of you have had this issue before. And what was interesting was, this is my 705. My 705 doesn't have the lines. And my 7610, apart from a bit dusty on the screen, that also doesn't have the problem. So let me know in the comments below if you've had this problem or if you've got this problem on your radio, or even if it is a problem. It might not be a problem.